dreaming? Do I really have you here by my side? I messed up and let you go the first time, but now I know you're the only one that can get me high. Feel it's the two of us tonight, another chance to make it right. Yeah, all I need is your love and I'll be alright. See, I believe in destiny, and it's brought you back to me, and I'm not wasting my chance to prove you that I'll stay. And I love you more every day, till the end of time. Just stay. And I love you more than yesterday, till the end of time. Just stay. Whatever you're doing is working now. You got me on my feet, I'm all about you. I don't want this feeling to go away. Now that I got you, we're here to stay. For real, real feel it's the two of us tonight, another chance to make it right. Yeah, all I need is your love and I'll be alright. Feel I believe in destiny, and it's brought you back to me, and I'm not wasting my chance to prove you that I'll stay. And I love you more every day, till the end of time. Just stay. And I love you more than yesterday, till the end of time. Just stay.
Woke up just a little pissed today. Feeling like the coldest snow in me. Someone hold my nerves for me, oh please. Hit the gum, step right on my desk. Got in there for that stupid test, and someone slammed the door right in my face. You touched the volcano, won't leave it like that. Just wait for it. I'll come up with something good. I'll cut your hair, put the stain on your chair. That's fun, but I guess I won't do that. It's your mistake, you've been sorry. It's not yet the end of the story. My blacklist is waiting for you. We'll see you again. It's your mistake, you've been sorry. It's not yet the end of the story. My blacklist is waiting for you. Blacklist has your name. Finally, I'm home, things should be fine, but the coffee still don't left a stain on my white shirt. I'm in shock, so lose the shirt. I have nothing left to say. Maybe Instagram will help with you, but seeing happy couples makes me ill. So pretty looking girl, sure enough, some pretty cash, and I pour it all in my bed. Volcano, won't leave it like that. Just wait for it. I'll come up with something good. I'll cut your hair, put the stain on your chair. That's fun, but I guess I won't do that. It's your mistake, you've been sorry. It's not yet the end of the story. My blacklist is waiting for you. We'll see you again. It's your mistake, you've been sorry. It's not yet the end of the
I'm falling to pieces. Don't let me go. Touch my soul, I'm feeling we'll rise above it all. Hold me, just hold me close. When step up your game and rise against time. Hold me, just hold me closer. And if we're waiting.